Morning guys, morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon, how you doing? Welcome guys, happy Monday times. Wow, we got a lot to say. Wish you all a green, strong, and fruitful week guys. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways and everyone like the video. Let's get into the subject right away. Look at that 4-hour Nasdaq representation. It's not looking bad. We're reclaiming this demand zone and pushing for the 4 hours. Let's go guys, come on. Happy to see you on board. Happy to have you amongst the greatest. Let me just distribute. Make sure you do the same guys. Distribute it pretty much in all the trading groups. Everywhere. No hesitation. Distribute it everywhere. No hesitation. Come on. All the trading groups existent. Let's go. We're live. 150 grand for the giveaways today. Looking nice, looking strong, looking powerful. Let's get to the 5-minute candles and see where we are today. See where we are today. $25,330.61, $25,361 last week's high. We're attacking today's high. $563 guys on today's high. Let me know what you think about. We've been pumping for a couple of hours. Making a gap here on the 5-minute. Around the 5:13. Good morning everyone, great to see you. Good afternoon, good evening. What a great time. What a great and lovely time out there. Already $1,500 in profit with IRM prop firm. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let me share with you the links, guys. Give me a moment. The temporary rejection here. We haven't touched today's high yet. Sorry guys. Let me just get into the web platform for the IRM, Volumetrica, and trade it. Huge discounts pretty much everywhere. Huge discounts on board. Good morning, welcome guys, thank you so much. Happy Monday, let's go. But the biggest deal is the 150k instant funded no payout cap for the IRM. Yeah. We got our funded account ready. That we passed. You know we passed the challenge. And we got funded already on the starter 50k. Right, so now we have 3 funded accounts. 1 from the challenge. And 2 instant prime. 150k. So we're gonna start trading even the 50k. But I'd like to start with my other, the 150k instant funded. And I'll activate my copy trader. Start. Very simple, guys. The copy trader is working actively right now. Hello, good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you on board. YRM is selling top notch in terms of delivering great services. Lucid as well. Incredible, guys, on Lucid. Keep it up. A lot of the people love it. We're going to trade our Lucid accounts today as well. We got a 3 instant funded of 150k and 2 Lucid Pro of 50k as well. Friday was the first day for the 150k instant funded. Made $1,000 there on each. But these are the accounts that I'd like to look into and see where are we with a 50k. We got 2 days that are pretty good looking. We needed our 1,200 bucks day here. But I'd like to start with my instant funded for the moment. Pretty much everywhere. Morning, great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. I'll get my green tea going. Not possible trading otherwise. We gotta take it to the next level. So, clear resistance shaping around this level. Not finding that comfortable situation. Acceptance is hard above the 60s, even above 55, 56. You don't get too much acceptance about that one, guys. Look at that. But it's going to be an important week. I think we have PPI by tomorrow, I think. Look at that, we're touching today's high. This is an interesting level for a possible rejection. I'm selling 2 contracts on my IRM. 2 contracts short, 2 minis. And I'm flat out, 240 bucks profit. I am good to go with that one, guys. I'll accept this, and I'm not even going to trade more on it. 250 bucks. This is the 3rd day. We made above 150 bucks, and I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. We broke above today's high. We shorted quickly 2 minis. Boom. Look at that one, guys. This is what it means to be a sniper. 240s. Scrambos and fire. And you call it next, guys. I call the first part Scrambos and fire, and you call it next. You call it next. 240 right there, profit. Look at that. It's the 3rd day. We only need 150 bucks each. Instant funding. No, this is not Quantara, this is Volumetrica. Volumetrica. Thank you guys for joining. 240 bucks profit quickly. Let's have a look into my dashboard for this accounts for the 150k instant funded. We're looking into the performance. This is what we have. You can see the performance here. Net P&L. That's what we made so far. 3 trading days. Remember, you have a minimum of $150 each day. No payout target. You only need 10 days of 150 each. And then you can cash out with a 20% consistency. Just think about it. If I have 10 days like this with an average of 250, it's 2,500. I mean, I'd like to make a little more because I want to make some buffer as well. But I can take this one up to, if I'm making 4 grand totally, then 4,000 divided by 5, it's 20% consistency. 4,000 divided by 5 is 800. So I could make up to $800 per day if I want to cash out at 4,000. The max loss is $6,000, guys, for the instant prime. My coupon code Scrambo gives you much better discount than the platform gives you. The platform is giving you 40%, I give you 50. And that's from the original price, which is 900. So I give you 90 bucks extra. It's at 450 with my coupon code Scrambo. The max loss is $6,000. The daily loss, which is a soft breach, is 4,500. So we're nailing it, guys. No payout target. I don't want to make more on this. I'm gonna lock myself out. Look at that. Confirm. Daily lockout. I'll perform the same daily lockout of the other one. 624. Daily lockout. Confirm. There you go. Good to see you tomorrow. We need profitable days. And then let me just adjust. As soon as we get closer to those 10 days, let me just adjust my money at that point. Like make a little more in the last 2 days, right? It's gonna be really helpful. I'll talk about the way I trade, sure. Volumetrica looks like great replacement of Project X. Correct. Correct. Not trading Top Step. Max per day. If you want to take at 4,000, it's 800. You can earn as much as you want. But you gotta know that 20% consistency needs to be there. Good job, Master Trader. Good job, buddy. Right, so once again, here's the link. Coupon code is Scramble for the top level discounts existent. IRM is impressive. They got the cheapest challenge accounts. 44 bucks with my code and a 50k is top notch. Look at that one. What do we have here? Wow, a pile of cash, giveaway, Scramble community, and we're climbing at the top of the fireworks. Hey, Scramble's on fire. Let's go. Make sure to join us on Discord. So in order to participate in the giveaways, you gotta sign up that link. It's nowhere near right now, of course. It's not really. I mean, it has similarities. You can do drag and drop. You can do the nice market limits organized nicely. You can block yourself out. You can have limits. You can do a lot of the things from the risk standpoint as well. You can do copy trading internally. You don't need any other expenses, right? So there are many similarities between Volumetrica. How do I prevent feeling FOMO? By having multiple accounts and a lot of the work. You know, there's no time to be FOMO if you have a lot to trade and continue trading your next accounts that you have. I got a lot of accounts. I can't be sitting on the same accounts being FOMO and make more, because I wouldn't be able to trade all the accounts I have. So this is helping me not to be FOMOing any second, quickly taking myself into the next model of accounts that I trade. Volumetrica is the best. It's also web-based. Right, so after a such swing, guys, it's not possible not to retrace when you take the today's high. When you take the highs, it's not possible. You just quickly enter in a short and get out extremely fast. Extremely fast. You have to monetize that liquidity existing there, which is creating 7, 8, 10, 12 points movements as a noise. Just be part of that noise and get out when you've got some profits. These movements are always appearing when you get into these areas. Right, volatility is increasing, and for you, by hunting a nice, whether you go a limit order or a market order, it's not as priority problem there. Certainly what matters is to be able to have your right entry. We just swept the high. We just swept the high, guys. And then push back 34 points. Good morning, welcome guys. Sign up for the giveaway, like the video everyone, come on. We got the target on our Volumetrica 150 grand instant funded for today. I've locked my day. We've got already fireworks going. This is an interesting level on the 1 minute, as you can see. But it's really questionable if it has the ability to hold, or we go a little bit lower. Let me show you some levels out here. This is a level that is quite interesting. That one. Quite interesting. You don't want to underestimate the 522. And we certainly don't know at the moment if that holds. VWAP daily opening. 200 days EMA. Everything is so far away from us. We had a great bullish day so far. $86,000 on Bitcoin. 86,500s. From 80s, we've managed to put in 6.5 grand. Yeah, I'm gonna try to bring it above 4 grand. I'll try to bring it above 4,000. Because I need buffer. Like, I don't want to cash out and lose the account, so then I have to buy a new round. I'm trying to make some more above it. Just let me tell you something, guys. Listen to me right now. Let me tell you something very important. Listen to me, everyone, with IRM. No payout target. Think about it. You make your 10 days of 150 or more. 200, 250, right? Or maybe 300 bucks a day. Let's put it this way. 300 bucks a day. That's 3,000 in 10 days. You've got your consistency. You've got the rule to be paid, which is 10 days of 150 each. So you're eligible at that moment, and you have 153. You're eligible to request a payout. You would also be eligible at 2,500, for example, or 2,000. You would be eligible at those levels as well. So you have some buffer in your last 2 or 3 days to make more, or simply just, you know, go for the payout. If you have 3,000, you have a buffer of $500 to try to make more and leave yourself with more in the account, or simply have a max loss for that day of $500, get down to 2,500 and take it out. Because with a new purchase, you have $6,000 drawdown. So the question is, and obviously it depends how you prefer, can you build this buffer of 6,000, which is something you would have in a new account at an expense of 450 bucks, correct? But 450 bucks do not means to risk, or do not necessarily needs to expose you and risk your payout. Because if you're risking your payout, I don't think it's worth it. And I think the other scenario of buying a new account gives you directly $6,000 buffer. Risking your payout to build buffer, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. It depends where are you located and how well the trading goes. Because to build another $6,000 or even 3,000 bucks or $5,000 means to risk something you already have. And might not worth it. Might worth to cash out and then repurchase. You got to think about that one too. You can build your buffer or you can simply not to. It depends. Let's put it this way. You can build your buffer or you can purchase buffer. But if the expense of building buffer comes at the risk of taking the payout, do the math and see if this is worth it. Yep. Do the math and see if this is worth it. It's an interesting 1 minute situation here. It's all about positioning, strategy, and being smart. And of course making money at the end of the day, as much as possible. But at the same time, we have to do calculated decisions. For some, it might not worth to risk that payout of 2,500 in order to build an additional 1,000, 2,000 buffer, risking the payout, and 10 days we have worked, which is 2 weeks. Welcome guys, great to see you. You know, this is the great alternative part, that with this system, you don't need to build a buffer unless you want to do it. Because you can buy your buffer. Exactly. There's still a big gap between the price and the payout, and that's why I'm speaking, that's why I'm saying. It's still a big gap. So if you do it times 3, because it's copy trading, think about how efficient is this process. Indeed, if you want to take that $6,000 payout in a single round, you got to build a buffer. Otherwise, you buy the buffer by buying a new account. That's the point. Like I said, there is always a risk there. You risk your payout by trying to construct extra buffer, or you just take the payout and buy yourself a new buffer of 6,000 by buying a new account. Yeah, so you have to see which is your level, if it's worth doing the extra risks, or if it's not worth doing the extra risk because you're still profitable. Depends. You got to do your own measurements. Very important. Make sure to like the video, guys. Let's see, can we just continue here? Let's see, can we continue here? To me, it looks like it wants to continue, guys. 90 bucks. Are we on fire? Did we just snipe the right level? Come on. Or the market makers are going dirty. We're trading the Lucid account, 150k instant funded, guys. Lucid is extreme
Order
top
filled.
level. We got break even on that. Look at the long wick, 10 points, successfully rejecting. Because we're speaking about this yellow line that I told you about earlier, 522. Coming from 2 pivot resistance, converting into support. If we get a support here, that's going to look like a bull flag. Look at that. It's just that we're going to see a way tighter fight going around the 60s. It's a little harder to see acceptance above the 60s than what was before in the prior structure, but we kind of have the same environment there. Exactly, that's a great account there as well. 25k on the Lucid, guys. You spend 330, you go for a 5 grand cash out. Hoo-hoo! That's good, Master Trader. That's good. If you're building such buffer, you can think about that 6,000 payouts, which will be pretty juicy. Get back around the 20s so I can relong this. Will you?
Order filled.
Beautiful. We've relonged this. Let's see if it holds. We're also relonging in Volumetrica on the 50k accounts. You can do drag and drop. For example, I put my stop loss there on break even for my 50k funded. This is a 50k, and we touched the profit, 190 bucks. And also here, we don't have a target yet here. It's a different thing on our Lucid 150k. But this one, we passed the evaluation last week, and now we made 190 bucks the first day. We're gonna celebrate that. We're gonna celebrate that. This is the first day I'm locking in, guys. I'd like to see if this level holds. I'm DCing a little more here for our Lucid 150k test. And let's go for a nice runner into our 1,800 target. 536. Come on, guys. We're on fire. We're on fire. We put a break even and we're letting this one run. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Accelerate right now. Join on board, retail. Join with me, retail. Like the video, everyone. Make sure to like the video. This is how the trading flies around. We quickly need to set ourselves above the 30s. Quickly, come on. Above the 30s, all the way to the target. Copy trading 3 accounts here. In the meantime, I'm gonna... What you doing? What you doing out here? I'm cutting it. We secured 177, not much totally, but that's fine. We gave it a good chance for a nice runner. Not the case, however, 190 first day on this past challenge accounts. Past challenge accounts from 44 bucks on the 50k, no activation fee. It's insane, guys. Let me just lock myself out of this one too. Daily lockout, confirm. Succeeded. Right, so pretty much we made a target on IRM today. Third day. Good job, Zil. Congratulations. Let me tell you a great success story, guy, from Zil from Finland. Listen to me. He has won a 50k instant funded on Ticktick Trader, straight to funded plus, and he got 2 payouts from that giveaway account. Think about 2 payouts. A round of congratulations for Zil. We just started trading IRM for a couple of days. It's the 3rd day. But there's a lot of members that got paid. Everyone, make sure to like the video and sign up for the giveaways. But of course, you also have to join the Discord. You gotta be part of our Discord. Especially if you want to win the giveaway. You gotta be there. Join us. Look at that. There's a 1 minute rejection here, resistance line, right? And it's not an easy moment longing the markets here. We're going to trade our tap on futures as well. Savius is running 65% off for Black Friday. On Ticktick trading, we're still paused. We're waiting for the accounts to be reactivated and we're waiting to be paid. We had a $10,000 withdrawal, guys, from the Ticktick trader. 10,000 bucks withdrawal. Lucid is running big time on great prices, great services. Top level company, guys. People getting paid in minutes. And of course the platforms they're giving out are pretty much insane. Lucid is having the strongest growth right now in the prop firm space. It's insane. That's the way to create a powerful business, by delivering high level satisfaction. Yes, Trade of 8 has been removed and everyone is moved onto Project X for the moment on Ticktick. And then they are already having some solutions. In terms of the continuation, things will be adjusted and will be reversed. Looks like we lost our 522 pivot clearly. If we were to apply a golden pocket to this whole thing, which comes from today's low all the way into today's high, let me share with you where is the golden pocket. 493 all the way to 486. So I would certainly consider touching something around the golden pocket. 486, 493. Limit order. $493, 92, 90s, 87, 86. Some nice limit orders on the golden pocket. Hopefully not gonna be front run. And I'll do the same thing on my Ignite accounts. 493, 92. Come on, bring it down. Just a little more. And then the 90s. I've done the same on Tap 1 futures as well. Lucid and Tap 1 futures. Come on. One contract has been filled. We got into the golden pocket. We're just filling up the contracts from there.
Order filled.
2 contracts. Not bad, right? We should get a movement quickly all the way above 510. And I will take that 800 bucks all day long. We also got a nice contract here on the top one where we got to do around 500 bucks Stop loss break even. We got the flat opening. I'll go. There's 30 minutes to go, guys. And we are very close touching the target. What the hell is happening here? Look at that. The wick is exactly into my take profit limit order. What the hell is wrong with it? I have to be... Look at that. What's going on with this scam, guys?
Order filled.
I'm out from
Order
here as
filled.
well. 420 on the Lucid. 294 on the other side. Let's celebrate. But they tricked me out of some money. And you saw that. They tricked me out. Market makers are playing games with me on Sim Underworld. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Hey buddy, happy Monday times. Wish you all a beautiful, nice, strong, green and fruitful week. Look at that. This is for Zil, Finland. Second payout unlocked. Won a giveaway. Zillionaire. Oh my god. We got a great designer. That's a lovely community. Golden Pocket reacted. Hopefully you had the moment to monetize it. We've been speaking about it, guys. You want to print that Zill and put it on a wall. You want to take this, print it, and put it on a wall. Join our Discord, guys. Mandatory. And like the video, everyone. Tap on Futures, by the way, is running a Black Friday promotion. Savius is 65% off. It's insane. Can you guys quickly verify how cheap Savius accounts are? Only instant funding, yes. No news trading allowed. No. 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after, 4 minutes window. IRM, no news trading during 4 minutes. Avoid doing that. You get a warning. You don't get the account blown away, but you get a warning. And do not repeat that thing. No news trading. You have a 4 minutes window. 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. Just relax. It saves the account. Trading news is most of the time similar to the gambling addiction. what's happening on the FOMC. 16 days till we get the markets. Ho ho! We're looking for the rate cut. You know, this was on Thursday last week. Thursday. This percentage for a rate cut was down to 25%. And now, things got switched around. Looks like we're gonna see some rate cuts. 3 rate cuts back to back, very likely with the current range, especially that the market's increased 50% probabilities in a couple of days. That's a reaction that's no joke. That's a reaction that's no joke, and it's certainly meaningful at this point. Yeah, Lucid is news free. You can trade news on Lucid, but that's dangerous to you guys. Yes, no news is in both challenge and funded, correct. On both, even for the challenges. For all the platform guys. You still have volatility after the first 2 minutes. And however, for the challenge you have 50% consistency. 50. But let me tell you, the amount of accounts you're losing. I mean, I know it feels great to pass an account in a second when the market does a candlestick that blows out of your screen. It's lovely, right? But let me tell you, how much money will you lose by trying that on the long run? You're not going to be in advantage. You're going to be in disadvantage. Feels great, just like at casino. You put $100, you win 2,000 from a single hand. Feels great. But the amount of times you need to lose that 100 is going to crush 2,000, is going to crush 3,000, 5,000, till that experience comes back. Right? So all these experiences have a high impact. And they make you believe it's a general behavior, which is not. Because otherwise, those environments would not exist. Wouldn't be able to exist. They would go bankrupt if that would be the general approach. Keep that in mind. Just be smart, guys. Be smart and keep that in mind. The number one way you will start making money if you're not making today is by dealing with the risk, dealing with the losses, staying away from the moments that are extremely risky and the predictability is low. You need to be trading when the market is giving you high predictability conditions, not when it's different. And it's not even matter that you can make money. If it's hard to be predicted, it doesn't matter, I can make money. I want to trade when it's easier to be predicted. You know, the news that they're referring to are usually around the market opening on the New York. And you have on their page, let me share with you exactly which news are we talking about. So Help Center, Rules, Economic Calendar Events, here. These are the ones. You gotta be careful. "20 minutes and the market opens. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Look at that lovely move from the golden pocket. Crazy. I've been in a long, but I had to get out, right? Sign up for the giveaway, like the video, join the Discord. Yep. Look at that, we're about to attack today's high. 564, that's insane. We're certainly bullish today. Yeah. Look at that, 573. Let's have a look into this level. Well, with the strength we broke out, there is a lot to speak about today, it means. Look at that, what we're doing here. Looking into the 15-minute, guys. We got certain things to talk about. So first things first, let me see what happened last week. What was last week's high? What was it? Oh, 25,361. Way higher than the current level. Almost 1,000 points. No, that's 800 points. 800 points higher. Last week's high. You know, today we gotta attack the 600s here. And obviously this is not something crazy that I'm speaking. But this time, right now, we gotta increase. Let me move my... Yeah. Gap has been filled up today. And then since that we just pushed, right? That 15-minute candlestick we just had right now is representing tons of strength. Impressive. Yep. Duck race finish? Ho, we still gotta trade, buddy. We still have to trade. 294 out here. And it's not easy to trade at this levels. There's 11 minutes to go. We made a new highs. How do you get involved in the giveaway? Just sign up, like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. These are the criterias. Like the video, sign up pretty much everywhere, including the Discord, and subscribe to the channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. I'd like to see if I can relong this. I didn't want it to do a market order.
Order filled.
I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I don't like my long. I didn't want it to see a such red candle that's long. $541.
Order filled.
Testing a little long here on my Lucid with 2 contracts. Certainly not that much.
Order
3.
filled.
If it holds, we're gonna ride it. Otherwise, I'll nicely take my bag and chicken out. Right there. I'm gonna chicken out. Below the wick of
Order
the current
filled.
candle.
Order filled.
Yeah. Volatility is increasing. Nothing, I've been reading something. So, waiting for Ticktick Trader, $10,000 on the payout. Targets have been hit on the IRM. Big level, big money there. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
It's like a potential bottom here.
Order filled.
Leaving us a little room for profit. 555 is something interesting. If this is not going to cascade, let's see how does the 5-minute algo turns out. The 5-minute algo turned out not to be good. We're cascading into a correction here, like 50 points. But this is a level where... Nice. Let me just...
Order
we
filled.
have a limit order here. I'll take that out. We got into a little early on the long. Should have waited for that yellow line to be touched. Where we actually got right now an instant reaction. It's fine for my top 1 futures. We only need to do about
Order
2...
filled.
Oh, there you go. The profit has been touched here, but there's something with Project X because it's touched earlier. 456 totally.
Order filled.
Looks like Project X had a bug, guys. Should have been a little bit different. I put my target higher on that top one. Still got to do here like 50 bucks. I'm longing
Order
it here, a
filled.
contract, and let's go for that 50. Couple of minutes and the market opens.
Order
Adding
filled.
another contract here. Risking a little more on my Lucid as
Order
well.
filled.
To buckle up. Let's go, guys. Thank you, guys. Make sure to sign up. It's not looking good here for my Lucid trade. Should be certainly receiving some nice support around the yellow line. Not gonna look at that. Keeps rejecting us. Still 2 minutes to go. You know, the Project X trade for the tap on futures is having way more chances. A little liquidity will take us to the profit here on 80 bucks. But then here on Lucid, it's a little bit tough. We need a pump at the opening. Do I risk 7 contracts? I'm not feeling comfortable with that one. Let's wait and see the last minute. We will have to sell partially soon in the next 30 seconds if that's the case, guys. Make sure to like the video. We will soon have to sell something if this is not pumping in the next seconds. I just can't see another 20-30 points dropping at the opening. This one needs to go a little bit higher right before the opening so I can partially get out. Ten seconds to go, guys. You know, I'll have to... Unfortunately, I have to go partial. I sold partially. I have to do it. And we're leaving it open for the moment. The opening bell is right there.
Order filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful profit. Profit, guys. Over here, profit as well. Over there, profit as well. Over here, profit. There you go. There you go. That was tough, guys, holding so many contracts right before the opening, I'm telling you. Boom. We gotta celebrate it. It was not easy at all. It was not easy at all. And we touched the target on our tap on futures. We touch it. We're also having on our Lucid 373. I'd like to make more here. But we just have to wait. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Cheers. We're attacking the 596. We're attacking you. Ethereum is on fire. We're attacking you guys. We've touched that resistance we talked about earlier. Yes. No crying in casino. No crying. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Big money on board. Big money out there. Thank you so much for joining. Giveaway starts soon. We've made the profits on the IRM platform. For those of you that have not seen my review video, there you go. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Unbelievable. We just broke out at a 596 like it wouldn't exist. Totally clearing out. We spoke about how bullish the whole thing is today, and it's getting more and more confirmed. So now, it's certainly not easy to trade. Yep. I also think we're going higher from here. Any little red candlestick, I'll try to attack it and long it. Decent rejection out there from the 61. I'm going to attack the market as soon as we see something relevant. 64, we up close. That's what you're saying? I see it on 743. 743. There's already 40 points. The market has increased 40 points since Dino had the courage to nicely make a public prediction in the chat. 40 points in a minute. Let's go, chat. That's the deal. Certainly not worth too long at 40 points. Why would you? Imagine. There's a shark out there and it's hunting our ducks. Oh, ho, ho. 700s are tough. But you see, the market is way more powerful than any imaginary fear people portray. You know, there's a lot of the shorts that have been opened during this 1 minute candles, which is why they're looking like that. There's no wicks to the downside on these candles at all, guys. It's Monday. Everyone is expecting the markets to crash. They've been used like that for the past couple of weeks. Huge drops. Let me open up my Quant Tower with Savius as well. We're going to do some little trading there. Join the giveaways, great guys. Join the giveaways. And make sure to like the video, everyone. Let's go. Not an easy moment out here around the 700s, but we'll take it slowly, guys. Bitcoin local bottom has been printed on 80,000. Well, look at the long wick. We touched the target here. I'd like to make some more on my Lucid if I can. If I can make a little more, that would be nice. We're still on fire for sure. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and get your hands on those giveaways. 3 giveaways for today. No. Not experiencing major difficulties. Nothing related to Project X, it's still fine. It had a little lag today on one of my trades, but then we sorted out. Certainly dangerous here. Could actually come all the way back to the yellow line, 596. I had a lag today on one of my trades, but certainly not on all. It's dangerous out here, guys. Look at that. Prompt reaction from the bulls. Kicking bulls straight into the 80s. It's pretty hot out here. Huge discount pretty much everywhere. Huge discounts. We're in fire today. We haven't had a loss today. I'm very careful. You see, I'm not really going aggressive in any way right now because we don't have any negative P&L today. 0. IRM, all the 3 accounts we have hit the target. We're having 3 funded accounts. All of them got to the target, so we celebrated. The Ignite account here got to the target as well. 373 on my Lucid. I like to make more here, by the way. But I like to see if I'm capable of doing that. Look at that. It's an interesting rejection that we have here. And I think
Order
we're going to push a
filled.
little lower. But let's see. Are we going to get such a tight double bottom here, or are we just capable to...
Order filled.
I'm very aggressive on 5 minis. 5 minis on my Lucid. Oh, look at that strong buyback. Ah. Insane buying pressure. Thought we were going to take that low, but let's see, guys. We need a red candle right now.
Order filled.
Here you go. Keep going. That was all. That was it, right?
Order filled.
And the target has been hit, guys, on 3 accounts. I felt it. I felt it. We're gonna celebrate 1,800. You gotta accelerate when it's needed. Just watch the stream. When was the last trade I did? And how many minutes I've been waiting for the moment. Boom. How many minutes we've been waiting. Watch the stream. We have sniped into. We have sniped into. Maybe BTC made a new today's low. I don't think Nasdaq is gonna do that. Making another low today. It's, you know, quite far away, 455. I think Bitcoin is dead, guys. It's just dead. You know, Bitcoin needs a day where it pushes $8,000, the next day $10,000, and it's the only way it's gonna recover. With any other situation, it's not. Target has been hit here. Look at that, what we're dealing with. 2 days. Two days. Good. I'm also looking for trading this account. And let me just connect. The Lucid Pro 50K.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long here. And I'm gonna be happy with 1,200 on 2 contracts.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. If this one is pushing, which how normally we could.
Order filled.
Nah, we got stopped out there. We got stopped out there. First loss of today. Miserable. But it might still be going to the upside. Might still be going, right? No problem. Sometimes you gotta get stopped out to be able to continue profitable. We're getting back in 2 minutes long on Savius. 2 minutes long. Look at that. It's going to the upside. Blueberry had problems. Blueberry had problems. And pretty bad reviews out there. Gold long term. Well, I think there is going to be an adjustment between Bitcoin and gold at some point. Bitcoin is going to recover the gap. And gold is going to range. Right? So I think there is an advantage towards the BTC than the gold. But in terms of obviously 15 to 20 years... Look at that, guys. We're making money. I'm out. 1,462 on 3 accounts. Celebration time. Look at that. Net PNL. Let me share with you. Net PNL on our Savius accounts. Where is the celebration? Earlier on my trade, we should have made that money as well. 1,462 on 3 accounts. Ooh. That's lovely. That's certainly lovely. Let me verify the other, set up the other copy trader as well. So we're gonna trade our single account here on 509 all the way back to the top, risking a little bit, playing some games. Playing some games. No. Good, stopped out for the moment. 1,600. Enough is enough. We made enough today. Especially the 3 sim funded here is just instant funded on Lucid 150k is just great. Big deal on Ignite as well. We made money. I'm gonna connect this Ignite as well.
Order filled.
Give it a nice try here for 500. Stop loss and break even quickly.
Order
there you
filled.
go. Profit has been hit nicely. There you go. I trade a lot of instant funding accounts, 99%. The P&L was not switched, but I did switch the account I traded. Yeah. But look at this account. Not a bad performance, right? Last 11 days of trading, we have 2 days of losses in the last 11 days. Nine profitable, 2 at minus. Everyone sign up for the giveaway, like the video. Let's get those numbers rolling. Let me verify if this was 10 seconds. It was 8 seconds. It's not good. It's gonna be deleted. Damn. 8 seconds duration. Look at that. It's going to be deleted. They will not consider that trade on top one. 8 seconds. We'll have to make that back. Beautiful, guys. We're slowly getting ready. We're slowly preparing. Let me see how many of you did join. How many of you did join? Decisive week. With the FOMC, 78-79% there is going to be a rate cut. I think the markets will enjoy that. But we'll have to see. In the meantime, let me see what we have out there. Yeah. Let me see what we've got out there. Eight seconds. Time to have some fun, guys. It's time to have some fun. How to join the giveaway? We're the first thing. You gotta join the giveaway as soon as possible. Then like the video. Like the video, guys. Come on. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, having a great time, lovely community out here, including educational content with the best discounts. Use coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. Sure. I'll get back to you, Luca. So, join the Discord as well. These are the 3-4 things you got to do right now. I'll give you a few seconds to do. So, what's happening out here? Let me verify. How many of you did you join? 233. Oh my God. $233. Yeah. First giveaway. $50,000 IRM. You can start right now, guys. Guess the number between 1 and 9. Guess the number. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. They're going to be blocked. Between 1 and 9, guess the number. One guess per person. If we're finding out you're using more accounts, we're going to ban you as well. It's very simple. We got the resources. Keep it straight. Keep it normal. Keep it moral and ethical. Oops. I don't want to see any advertisings. Let's go. Between 1 and 9, guys. This is the first giveaway. We've got 2 more. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Daily 8 a.m. EST time. Stop right there. No more guesses. That's it. No more guesses. No more. We're gonna shuffle a few times and we're good to go. We're good to go. Good luck, everyone. What do we have here? I think that might be the yellow number 7. What do you guys think about the yellow number 7 or the 9 on green? Look at that. Is that the yellow number 7? We got the lucky 7 out there. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. You guys are going to the duck race. I'll take you straight into the duck race. Look at that. Straight into the duck race. Congratulations for the winners. 24 winners out there. 30 seconds competition time. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. $239 have signed up for the form. 239. 15 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Pereira is dominating for the moment. But there's someone coming up from behind, taking the lead. D. Wardle. Look at that. You got it, boy. There you go. Number 27. We got you confirmed. Hey. Good job. Let's find it out if you are signed up. Let's find it out if you have signed up. If not, Tim has a good chance. We're gonna zoom in. Are you here? Yes? No? You are here, yes. You are here. There you go. You are confirmed, basically. Congratulations. I was joking with you a little, but certainly you are there. Congratulations. Good job. On to the next one. On to the next one. We'll change the numbers a little. Between 1 and 3, you can start right now. Let me know your numbers. This account is $50,000 Lucid. 50 grand Lucid test. Come on, guys. 50 grand Lucid. Scrambo's and fire. Keep going. 50k Lucid account. Good luck to all of you. For those of you that are fresh, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord as well. Thank you so much for watching, for joining. Stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. We will shuffle this quite a few times till I see triple top. There you go, triple top with 333. There you go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. What do you guys think about? Is that going to be on a number 3? We got quite a few connected. This is the second giveaway. We've got one more for today. It was a happy Monday. It was a happy Monday. We had a lot of the accounts getting to the target. That might be the green number 2. That might be the green number 2 or the yellow number 2. But that's the number 2. We cannot pass through that. It's going to stop there. You're not going to get your number 1. Look at that one, guys. Hey, there you go. Congratulations for winners. You got the number 2. Heading towards the duck race. Wow, look at that. 53. 53 winners competing for 30 seconds. That's a huge fight. Shuffle. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone, for a $50,000 Lucid account. Top level firm. Top level. There you go. I was going to speed up 5 seconds now. It is important. My Cuisine is making a step forward with the granny. And we got you, My Cuisine. This is not the first time you're winning. Congratulations. Hey, you're going to find out if you're actually on the list. Hey, let me see that. There you go. We got you out here on the list. You are confirmed. $50,000. For Lucid. Getting ready for the last giveaway for today, guys. 50k Ticktick Trader. Between 7 and 8, you can start right now. Start right now between 7 and 8. Make sure to guess between my starting command and ending command. If you're guessing before or after, your numbers are not going to be accepted. Let's go, guys. Come on. We're on fire. We're on fire. What a lovely time we're having out here. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We had a great start of the week. Hope you had the same. And continue in the same manner. You gotta be green. Probably this is gonna be pretty strong. I'm looking forward seeing some nice number 7s out there. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're stopping out here. Thank you so much, guys. We're gonna shuffle this one. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. We actually got 6, 7 number 8s. It's not easy. It's not easy. They're pretty mixed. That might be the green number 8. That might be the green number 8, guys. It's pretty mixed up. Or this is the 7 on yellow. Will it stop here? Yes. Congratulations for the winners. We got it with the number 7. We had a lucky 7 once again today. Yellow number 7 did play it out. Congratulations. I think we're going to have a ton. 79. 79 out there competing on a heavy fight, heavy swimming race. You guys will swim for 2 minutes. You guys will go around for 2 minutes, no joke. Time to see how do you feel today. Time to see how you guys are so powerful today. For 2 minutes, keep swimming and don't let me down. Don't let me down. The retail hunter is pushing right now, but we're gonna push the button soon and stop him out. Come on. We're gonna push the pedal soon, the brake. Quantum, look at that, it's pushing as well right now. You don't need to be fast, guys, right now. You don't even need to be on the screen, right? So those of you that are seeing your names right now, it's bad. Because you have to be somewhere behind without even seeing your name. And the last 6 seconds is the time when the difference is made. 6 seconds, that's the time. If your ducks speeding up at that time, somewhere from behind, you're winning. If in the last 6 seconds or last 7 seconds, you're in the front, you're losing. Look at the protein. Tony with the futures. We got you on the purple, but you gotta go back. It's not the right timing to be at the top. It's not the right timing. Quantum, get back. Get back and accelerate later. Yeah. 20 seconds. Now you see how the ducks are coming from behind? Look at that, swimming around quickly. They got something. They got something prepared for you. Look at that strawberry. Look at that one. You got back. But I'm telling you, I'll push the button, you get stopped out. Look at the strawberry. Antares is going to be the winner. Antares is going to be the winner. And there you go. Celebration time out here. That was pretty close. Quite many chances out there. But let's not forget, if he is not signed up, are you here, Antares? Yes, he is here. He or she, we've got you, Antares. Congratulations. This is awarded to you $50,000. Congratulations. 50 grand out there. What's happening here? We made a new high. 770s, not bad. What a strong movement from 580s into 770s, almost 200 points in 4 minutes. Sorry, 4 candles of 5 minutes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Have a lovely time, a lovely start of the week. Stay strong, focused. Any issues, any problems, reach out in Discord. Winners, you also got to reach out in Discord. Coupon code is Scramble pretty much everywhere. Have a lovely day, guys. Have a lovely time. Looking forward to it tomorrow. In the meantime, we chat you on Discord.